Recently, I had the honor of being with Dr. Pillai when he spontaneously started talking about the quantum field or quantum physics. And he talked about how there are multiple realities being created at every moment, and that we choose to live in a certain reality. So he said, there's multiple dimensions, multiple realities. Your bank account looks different in one than it does in this earthly dimension that you're currently living in. He says to me, which one do you believe? And I said, well, I would really like to be able to believe in the other one, but I believe in the one that I see right now. And he said, that's because you're negative. There is a quantum physics of negativity and positivity, and it's important to know which one we're in. So he said, what you have to do is to think in the quantum field and think and manifest. And I said, I try, but I'm not able to always get there. So I could be thinking and hoping and praying, but what is the solution? And he said that the difference is when God says, let there be light, light appears. When we say, let there be light, it doesn't always appear because we are not thinking from the quantum mind. We're thinking from the human mind. And he got very excited about this topic and wants to host a live event to cover these three topics, which is the quantum physics of negativity and positivity, which one are you? Quantum mind, and observing and recreating your belief system. And finally, the solution, which is quantum thinking, thinking from the third eye, the pineal gland. He said that God thinks from the quantum mind. That's why God can say, let there be light, and it happens. How do we think from the quantum mind? That's the key. So he will talk to us about that solution. How do we think from the quantum mind? And he said it is because it is when you think from the pineal gland, the third eye. So join us on December 18th, where Dr. Pillai will expand upon these three topics, and we could move powerfully into creating a new future in 2023 with these amazing techniques. The link should be below the video, so please enter your information there so we can be in touch.